Hello traders, and welcome to this new daily market outlook. My name is Mehdi and I will be your host for the next 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. I'm just going to do a quick review on the GBPUSD pair, which is also called cable, and we will just have a look at price action and specifically the levels that you should be aware of. So I just want to make a shout out to someone that is to one of the subscribers that is following us. He has been following us for some time, and I've been discussing with him in the comments section. So in the comments section, and the thing is, he only trades the cable, and he told me to do this video because I've been very busy, especially the last couple of weeks, and I couldn't make it. I couldn't do a recap of or a review of any of the pairs that I've used to do, because I used to publish 5 videos per day. I'm going to get on track quickly, and I hope to be able to resume the same cadence or the same rhythm and the same throughput, let's say in about 2 weeks. Okay, in about 2 weeks of time. So let's have a look at the GBP/USD pair. First of all, what you should always consider is, as I said, and if you have a look at my previous review or my last forecast, it was around 20th of May. Just have a look at what price did and how accurate my forecast was. It's incredibly accurate, and I have lots of it was happening over and over again, and it has always been the same case. I've always said, look at these levels. Okay, if we go back in time, you can also see this, this level, and you can also see how price moved down. All right, so this is a first forecast that has been doing well, in which I said you should be looking for a sell, and you see it clearly. I'm not deleting anything. And again here I said, when price will break this this trend line, you should be good for a buy, and this is exactly what happened. So I am one of I can say, and I can humbly say that I am one of the greatest and best technical analysis guys, be it on the internet or whatever you want, wherever you want to, with whomever you want to test my skills. But I only test my skills against the market, because it's the hardest and it's the one that never lies. Okay, markets never lie. So if price is going to go up, it will go up. If it goes down, it goes down. It's not about it's not about this kind of news. It's not about any kind of news. It's about it's you take everything, you take everything that is happening at one moment, and you take a snapshot of it, and it's going to be exactly you know, like it's going to be exactly what the market is going to be doing at that specific second. I'm not talking about an hour or a day, or it's you know, like on time. Everything happens on time, but sometimes we have opportunities like I've been showing. So I've been right too many times, and sometimes I say, enough. When am I going to be wrong? So maybe it's going to be this time. But anyways, I'm going to just say what I think. I think that we had, you know, like all of this move, or you can call it whatever you want. This is going to be, you know, like your first wave, and then your second and your third wave, and then you have not the third wave but the second wave. This is the first and then the second wave, then you have the third wave. Okay, you have the third wave. Right now what we can do, so we can make, you know, like we can make a forecast. I'm sorry, these forecasts are really, you know, like they're stupid. The forecasts that I'm doing, they are not, you know, like as good as I wish, because I'm not preparing anything, but I just want to give you, you know, like what I would have done if I had to make this analysis, if I had to, you know, like to decide on what to do on this particular pair. So if I was if you know, like if this chart was, you know, like a 1 minute chart, let's say, because then I had to make, you know, like a quick decision on what to do. Here is what I see. I see that price is exactly at 61%. Okay, so we're exactly at 61% of Fibonacci retracement. We're here. You can see it here. It's not 38 because this is inversed. I'm sorry, but I'm not going to I'm not going to inverse it, or, you know, like to put it on the right, you know, like order, or, you know, like the right shape. But anyways, you see it, and I have to inverse it, you know, in order to see, you know, like the 61%. But this is 61% of this, you know, like up move. Secondly, what I see a correction. Okay, I see a correction, and you can see it clearly, you know, like a three legs correction. First wave, this is the corrective move, and this is the third move. So let's just have a look at how deep we are, and if we have a measured move here. So let's see. So if we were to measure, yes, so basically what I would expect price to do, and I can be wrong, but I'm not a big fan of measured moves, because they are, you know, like they are too good. I mean, they are symmetrical, and they are to the pip, etc. So they are too textbook, I would say. So everything that is textbook, from my own experience and from what I've seen, I've always been, you know, like losing money when trying to do, or when trying to trade based on projections, or based on you know, like forecasts that don't have any, you know, like confirmation yet. So here we don't have a bullish confirmation, all right? But, you know, like by measuring, you know, like this zigzag, or this corrective move, this big corrective move, or this, you know, like ABC, or call it whatever you want. What you can say that price might reverse. Why? Because we have two conditions, or we have two events, or two, you know, like confirmations, or whatever, or two hints that, you know, like that are showing up. You know, like right now we have the 61.8% of Fibonacci retracement that might give us a good opportunity, you know, like to buy. but what we don't have, you know, like a reversal structure. Okay, so you wait for a reversal structure, and wait for that reversal structure to break, you know, like the trend line that is, you know, like the downtrend trend line before, you know, like buying. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so thank you. So if you like this video, please like. You can't like, so just subscribe. Anyways, I will be back with more videos, as I said, you know, like in the next couple of weeks, maybe in 2 weeks, but I will try even right now to do at least one video per day to ramp up the production of my videos, and so that we can share our best, you know, like trading opportunities. Thank you.